Everyone, welcome back. Dear students, in this session, we'll learn I will do it reading C comprehension passage from Unit 1 of our Class 10 English Reader from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. Every engineering student's dream is to study at IITs. IIT Chennai, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur are some of the few most eminent IITs among 23 IITs across India. And we learn in detail about a boy. He was short, but he was sharp. He was the brightest boy in the class. Wonder what? Even his seniors would get their doubts clarified in science and mathematics subjects. This boy came from a poor but educated family. His father was a high school teacher who had very good command over English literature. Meanwhile, this boy along with his friends would study at a stone mandap near Chamundeswari hills of Mysore city. Incidentally, this boy would get the doubts of his friends clarified from physics and other subjects. The boy visited Bangalore city to attend for IIT entrance examination. The day came. The boy cleared the examination fantabulous. But then, when his friends asked about how he had written the examination, he simply said okay. For him, okay is synonymous for excellent. On the contrary, the same okay word is quite a reversal when he comments about food. Whenever somebody asked him how the food that was eaten by him, he would simply say okay. Okay means bad. If he used to say good, it was okay. If he used to say excellent, the food was good. The thing is that he wouldn't want to make anyone hurt with his comments. And the results of IIT entrance came. The boy passed with a high rank. He would surely get a seat in a top IIT of India. Delighted with the great news, the boy visited his father. Anna, I passed IIT entrance examination. Here, Anna means father. So, it's a salutation for an elderly personality in Kannada. So, Anna means father. Anna, I passed IIT examination. Well done, my boy, father said. Anna, I want to join IIT. The father, who was reading a newspaper, lifted his face and looked at the boy. Look, my dear child, I have 5 daughters married off and 3 sons to educate. At this juncture, I cannot make both ends meet. So, you should make out our family's financial status and would not study IIT. Instead, you can stay at Mysore and study as much as you can from any engineering institute. The boy was completely disheartened. All his hopes were shattered and burned to ashes. His blood was boiling. His blood was bleeding. What would he say? Simply nothing. On the day of departure of their friends came. All the friends along with this boy turned up at a railway station, Mysore. They were all set to join reputed colleges in Madras city. There was a low and heavy noise from his friends, delightfully, joyously. At that stage, one friend recognized this boy staying calm. Hey, why are you keeping calm? You just join with us, boy. Even then, he could not say anything. Finally, the boys who boarded the train would wave their hands. The train departed. But this boy stayed there itself. It was drizzling and it was started pouring down. Then the boy said to himself, all the students of IITs study well and they do big things in their lives. But then, the institution alone doesn't make them reach their goals. It is you who can do everything in life. Perhaps this boy didn't remember the great adage from Bhagavad Gita, your best friend is yourself and your worst ever enemy is yourself. So here, his best friend is himself. Now, the boy has decided to achieve many goals in life irrespective of not being studied at IIT. And on his way reaching his goals, he had never used his cause to religion, community, political recommendations, etc. And finally attained his goal. And there are lakhs of employees working under him. And did you know who the boy is? He is none other than the pioneer of the software industry in India and the chairman of Infosys, the software firm. His simplicity, uncompromised attitude, fairness and philanthropic activities made him to become a legend of software industry in India. He believes in the motto, powered by intellect and driven by force. And finally, did you know the name of the boy? He is none other than Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, a leading IT company in India. And do you know who is the author of this write-up? She is none other than Sudha Murthy, the wife of Narayana Murthy. She is also an eminent personality in India for her excellencies as a philanthropist. She is also a social worker, a writer, and a chairperson of Infosys Foundation. Now, let us go through some important words, their meanings. Mandap, or raised platform. D-Day, a date on which something important is expected to happen. Icon, a famous person. Anna, a word used to address a respectable elder. Philanthropist, one who devotes his service or wealth for the welfare of mankind. And now, let's go through some comprehension questions and their answers. First one, why did the boy come to Bangalore? The boy came to Bangalore to appear for the IIT entrance test. Second one, who is referred to? Anna. Narayana Murthy's father is referred to as Anna. Third one, where would the boy prepare for IIT entrance test? Answer. The boy would sit at a stone mandap near Chamundeswari Hills in Mysore city to prepare for IIT entrance test. And more number of questions. Did the boy get a high rank in IIT entrance test? Answer. Yes, the boy got a high rank in IIT entrance test. Did the boy's father accept him to study at IIT? No, he didn't. How many daughters are there to be married off? 5 daughters. What's the name of the boy? Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy. What's the name of his wife? Sudha Murthy. What's the name of the software company established by Narayana Murthy? Infosys Software Company was founded by Narayana Murthy. So that's all about I will do it. Reading C passage from Unit 1 of Class 10 English Ready students. You can practice more number of comprehension passage and learn the meanings for important words. Keep practicing. And I will come up with another interesting topic in my next session. Bye.